up, you guys? My name is Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited. Okay, that was a lot. I'm really excited though because I am finally going to be working on a project with you guys. Like, there's actually a point to this video. Who knew? I mean, there's a point to my makeup videos, like to get to the end. But some of the other videos don't have a point. So, yeah. I am really excited because I went to Five Below and I found some super cute projects that I want to do. And I figured, I'm sorry, my hair is like kind of getting on my nerves. But I figured that I could show you guys what I'm doing while I'm doing it. And I'm just really excited. So, hold on. I actually have a couple of projects that I want to do. I don't know if I'm going to get to all of them today, but if I do, I'm going to do separate videos for all of them, just so that it's not several projects packed into one video. But this is the first project we're going to be working on. These dogs here are so loud. DIY phone cases. So I'm really excited. I can't wait. I have 3 different ones. So I have this pink one right here, which is super cute. And this is everything that it comes with: the little gel, the beads, phone charm, a glitter insert, and then some rhinestones. And it's the same for all of them. I got this white one as well. And I got this blue one. So the white one actually does not fit my phone. It fits my mom's phone, but I'm gonna decorate it blue, and I'm gonna use the white one on the phone case that does fit my phone because I just think that's so pretty. I just think it's so pretty, and I couldn't find one that was for my phone. They only had this one, so I was like, I'm just gonna get it and we're just gonna go with it. So on the front, it actually says that it comes with 40 items, 15 figure beads, 1 clear phone case, 1 phone insert, 24 pearls, 1 glue applicator, and 1 bonus phone charm. So I think the other ones are the same. This one, it says the same thing, except this one comes with 24 crystal rhinestones and the glue applicator. And then this one also comes with 24 crystal rhinestones instead of pearls. I don't know, maybe I'll just take out all of the little accessories and just mix it up. I think that might be fun. But yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm literally about to do it right now. But I am trying to figure out how to set it up so that you see what I'm doing. So let's try to do this. This is what it looks like on the inside. This is the little glue. And then it comes with the applicator. So you can put it like on here and get the cool effect. It has the phone case, the little glitter insert, the bonus phone charm, the little rhinestones, and then the cute little beads right here. And these are what the little beads look like: a little bear, little hearts, grapes, I guess. But yeah. It even shows you on this little paper like other uses for it. I think that's so cool. And then this is what the instructions look like. So start with a clear case. Make sure you start with a clean surface. Pop out glue cap and put on the glue applicator. Put the cream on the clear phone case, whatever way that you want to do. And then add the pearls, let it dry, and then put the glitter insert. I wonder what the insert is for, because it doesn't really look like you can see it, but maybe you can, I don't know. But that's what it looks like. Really cute. These are the little white Phonecase charms, little hearts. It's giving like wedding vibes, but it's cute. You know, I love it. Okay, so these are this one has like super tiny little, they're getting everywhere, which is about to get on my last nerve. It has a little macaroon, little flowers, little be mine, a bow, a little lollipop. It's so cute. Are these grapes? Is that's what they look like, right? I swear like they're grapes, except grapes aren't blue or pink, but I don't know. I'm not sure if I really like those. I don't know if I want to use them, but we'll see. I'll try pink first, just so you can kind of see. There's the little grape things, the little food, butterflies, bears, hearts, bows, and then flowers. And then these are the three, the little crystal things, and then the pearls, and then little gold beads. So I'm gonna start out by kind of just putting them on here and seeing what I want. I think I want to try and use all of the pink, of course, and just see how that would look to use every pink thing that I have. And then maybe start adding in. So this is all of the pink stuff on the Phonecase. I'm trying to figure out like how I want everything. If I want to add in any clear, do I want to add in, you know, maybe a flower or two, maybe a butterfly. Do I want to add the butterfly on this one? I don't know. I could probably even put like the little thing here. I don't know. Or purple would be good too. Then I can add the little macaroon, this little thing. I could put the bow. I don't know. That looks like a lot. I'm not sure. Let's try to figure it out though. Have you ever seen that meme that's like this girl saying, people that don't drink, what do you do on the weekend? Like, literally this. Make videos by myself in my room and create phone cases. It sounds so lame. I know, but it's fine. It's fine. It's not a big deal. But yeah, I really want to kind of figure out exactly what I want on here. I just want it to be cute, you know? It's kind of giving Valentine's Day vibes with the little beads that I have on here, but it's fine because I've actually like kind of been into that, like having the Valentine's Day vibes all year round, you know? I actually thought about making that like a theme for my room, and I don't know, I might go for it. We'll see. Okay, I actually think this kind of looks good. Okay. Maybe I'll take this bow out and add another flower. Looks kind of cool. I'm like overthinking it big time. If I could add like a little, like make this pop. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I think this is what I'm gonna go for. I think it looks good. I also was thinking, like, if I could put this little bow, like, standing up over here, I think that would be cool. I don't know how I could do it, but maybe I might try that. So I think this is gonna be the look. I'm so excited. And then I guess just, like, go to town, right? Oh, I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Okay. What if it comes out bad, you guys? I'm gonna, like, cry. Okay. This is not going good. Oh my god. Okay. So far that's how it looks. I don't love it. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, but we're just gonna keep going. It's kind of like decorating a cake, which I'll be honest, I've never been good at. I've never been good at, like, decorating a cake. I've never been good at wrapping presents. I'm creative in other ways. This stuff is not my creative. It's not where I'm most creative, I guess I should say. Maybe I should add a few. This is what it's looking like so far. It's not horrible, right? It's gonna look better. It's gonna look better. It's gonna look better once I start putting, like, my little stuff on it. And I totally messed up my little thing, like how I had it. Okay. So I'm gonna put my little heart here. A little bear. Put another little bear. Put a little flower. You notice how I, like, call everything little? Like, everything. I just say it's little this, little that. This little light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, that actually looks cute. That actually looks kind of cute, you guys. Okay, I'm really excited. I was all freaking out, and now I'm, like, kind of excited. Okay, so it's okay. This actually looks kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. I don't really gonna have a lot though. When I had it on here at first, it looked like it's gonna be, like, a lot. Like, it's gonna be a lot of things on here, but actually it doesn't look like it's gonna be that full. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is actually looking really cute. And I'm so excited because I thought it was gonna not go very well. Should I use these little ball things? I guess, right? Since I have them. I'll put a few around. Make sure it sticks in the glue. Kind of random, but I think they're cute. Oh, whoa. All right. Okay, I'm so excited, you guys. I can't wait to see it. Alrighty, there's my little phone case. She's adorable. I hope that this stays. I really do. Okay, so that's my little phone case. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the blue phone case and try to figure out what I want to do for that. So this is what I put for the next one. And then then I think this works, right? So I think this is what I'm gonna go with. This is the next one. I'm obsessed, you guys. That is so cute. It's so extra, but it's so cute. And that is the phone case for my mom. I think it came out good. I like it. Okay, you guys, that was the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was fun. I was freaking out a lot, I'm not gonna lie. Like a few times, because I was like, oh, like I was freaking out if it didn't look good or if I thought it didn't look good, but I'm happy with all of my little creations. I think they're cute. I do have quite a bit of each glue left. I have less of the pink because I kind of used it a lot, but I do have quite a bit left, which is good to know if you ever want to buy these items. At least you know, like, you could probably do a few more projects if you wanted. You know, like they put on the back of the thing like other uses, so if you wanted to like decorate something else with those particular colors, you could. But okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, all of that stuff. I'm about to do another project. See you soon.